Cisco Support Services are here to help your business grow, protect your technology, and reduce risk. With Cisco Support Services, you'll get instant visibility into the state of your infrastructure, so you can keep your equipment updated and optimized, helping you resolve critical issues faster and minimizing downtime and keeping your business running smoothly. If you've purchased any Cisco technology without adding Cisco Support Services, whether it's directly or through a partner, you'll receive an email with recommendations for the support options that best meet your needs. Cisco offers 3 specific support levels, plus success tracks, which includes all 3 options and more. SmartNet Total Care gives you 24/7 expert technical support, flexible hardware coverage, replacement, and OS updates, all with integrated smart capabilities. With Software Solution Support, you get 24/7 expert help unlocking the full potential of our software, helping you reduce risk and meet your business goals. Solution Support gives you everything the previous options have and goes way beyond, including 30-minute response time, prioritized case handling, and solution expertise covering your entire multi-product, multi-vendor portfolio. Eligible customers also have the option to purchase Success Tracks, an all-in-one packaged service designed to help you quickly adopt and realize the value of your Cisco technology. To find out more about your installed base, discover uncovered devices, upcoming renewals, or expired contracts, and equipment reaching last date of support, log on to renew.cisco.com to get detailed insights into your current coverage and see where you could benefit from adding Cisco Support Services. Cisco Support Services help you turn your technology into business value. Contact your CX representative or your partner today to find out more.